Hello guys, today we will review a very nice lens from Apexel. It is a new Apexel 2021 new lens, zoom lens, telescopic lens, tele lens. This is a very nice lens and I have already tested this. This is giving a very nice DSLR quality output. DSLR quality means the quality of your phone will not be reduced with this lens. Okay, before few days I have reviewed one big zoom lens, a tele lens from Amazon. So it is giving exactly the same output. We will test this lens little bit, not more, because I will be testing this lens in Hindi also. So because this video will be on English, so I will just give you a basic overview of this lens and tell you how the output will be coming, and then I will test more with comparison with any other lenses. Those things are coming in the next video that will be in Hindi, so don't worry about it. Just check this video and then we will do thorough comparison with other lenses, how will be the quality and all in the upcoming videos. Okay, so by then let me tell you, this is a zoom lens and you can vary the magnification, you can vary the focus, so everything is manual in this case. So if you have you checked, so it's like, okay, so here you can do all the types of adjustment, and you can see that this is the two caps, front and back, both are protected, both side glasses are protected with these two caps. And you can get a very nice body. It is not metal body but it is plastic body, and nowhere it is mentioned it is from Apexel, because it is not Apexel branded lens, but Apexel is selling this on their own brand. So don't worry if you are not seeing any Apexel branding or anything on the package or here on the lens, but it is genuine. Okay, so it is a 8x to 24x. okay, so if you rotate this zoom ring, this is the back side, this portion will be connected to your phone. So this back side ring, this ring is for zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and there is a pointer also here which will tell you what is the zoom magnification, not exactly, but you can able to see if it is towards 8x or it is towards 24x. And there is a focus ring as well. Focus ring is something in this part is extended, right? So in this part it is in little bit, you have to rotate like this. So there is no ring here, but you have to rotate this part, then only it will come out, and something will come out from here, and you can able to see what will be the focus. You can adjust the focus by looking at your phone. So you remove the back part, you remove the front part, means you can extend the front part, you extend the back part, and then adjust the zoom ring. Okay, so adjust the zoom, how much zoom you want to do, and then you set the focus by rotating this part. Okay, so that's all, and nothing else in this lens. It's just a simple lens. The connecting of this lens is little bit different from the other lenses, because it is not a lens for phone, it is a telescope. Okay, so for using this telescope, you have to mount this on top of a holder like this, and you can able to directly shoot without any problem. There is a tripod point is also given on top of this lens, so if you want, you can directly put a tripod on top of you can connect a tripod with this lens and you can able to shoot. Okay, but I have not used this part. I have directly attached this lens to the mobile, and I have used a mobile holder. Okay, mobile holder will not be provided in the box, so do check that out. So if you have a mobile holder, you can use that mobile holder, or if you don't have a mobile holder, then put this lens on top of a tripod here. Okay, and then you plug your phone here and you can shoot without any problem. Okay, so enough talking about this lens, and let's go out and shoot some sample footage. This is the back side of the lens, and we have to attach this phone holder or the lens holder to this lens. There is nothing to do here, just push the lens back side into this
this lens holder, and then you have to attach this lens holder and the phone holder to the phone. Okay, so after attaching the phone holder, it looks like this. As you can see, there is a big black border. So to remove the black border, we have to zoom on the camera, and you have to zoom around 2.8x to remove. As you can see, the tower is clearly visible, and currently I am using it as 8x zoom lens, that is the lowest magnification, and you can see the output is very nice. That tower is around 1 kilometer or maybe 800 meter away from here. As you can see, the tower is too much distance from this lens, but it can cover the top part of that masjid, and the clarity of that output is very nice. As you can see, I have set it up at 24x zoom, so this is the highest magnification from this lens. One thing you have to remember is that you have to remove this black border. So in video mode, you have to zoom around 1.9 or 2.2x, something like that, but in photo mode you have to zoom around 2.8x. Again, I will not recommend this lens for phones, those are less than 10,000. So if your phone is having a good 2.8x zoom, then you can use this lens, because after 2.8x zoom, if your phone is not giving good quality, this lens also cannot help you. So in this case, as you can see, the output is very nice. Sorry, I cannot able to attach this lens on a good tripod, that's why it is too much shaking. So next video I will make with a very good tripod, so that you can get a stable footage. As you can see, the tower is around 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer away. This is the FM radio tower. Here is a very nice beautiful sunset, and you can see with and without lens side by side, and the clarity are unmatched, right? Not a single distortion, not a single chromatic aberration, and the output is just fantastic. And that building is currently around 500 meters away, that means half kilometer away.
So we have done a very less experiment with this lens, but you have seen that how much zoom it can do and how this works with variable zoom. And the quality of the lens is also very nice. The output quality is also very nice. There is no chromatic aberration. Plus, we will test this lens more in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about it. And let me know your thoughts about this lens, and I will see you in next video.